Vincent van Gogh was a Dutch post-impressionist painter, renowned for his vivid colors and emotional depth. He was born on March 30, 1853. In Zundert, Netherlands. Despite his profound influence on 20th-century art, he struggled with mental illness and poverty throughout his life. Van Gogh's career as an artist began relatively late. He started painting seriously in his late 20s. His early works, such as The Potato Eaters, depicted peasant life and were characterized by somber tones. However, his style evolved significantly after he moved to Paris in 1886, where he encountered the works of Impressionists and Neo-Impressionists. This exposure led to brighter colors and innovative techniques, such as his use of bold brushstrokes. Some of his most famous works include Starry Night, Sunflowers, the Café Terrace on the Place du Forum, Aureole at Night, and The Bedroom. His paintings often reflected his emotional state, with themes of loneliness, despair, and nature. Van Gogh's life was marked by personal struggles, including episodes of mental illness, which culminated in his tragic death on July 29, 1890, from a gunshot wound believed to be self-inflicted. He sold very few paintings during his lifetime, but after his death, his work gained immense popularity and is now celebrated worldwide. Today, Van Gogh is considered one of the most influential figures in Western art history, and his works are housed in major museums around the globe, attracting millions of visitors each year. His legacy continues to inspire artists and art lovers alike. Certainly, Vincent van Gogh's life and work are rich with complexity and emotion, offering a deeper understanding of his artistry and struggles. Vincent van Gogh was born into a religious family. His father was a minister, and his mother came from a family of art dealers. Initially, he pursued a career in art dealing but soon became disillusioned and turned to more artistic pursuits. His early attempts at painting focused on the harsh realities of rural life, reflecting his empathy for the working class. Van Gogh's move to Paris in 1886 marked a significant turning point in his artistic development. He became friends with several influential artists, including Paul Gauguin, Henri Toulouse-Lautrec, and Camille Pissarro. This period introduced him to the use of color and light that defined the Impressionist movement. He began to adopt a more vibrant palette and explored new techniques, such as the use of complementary colors. Van Gogh's mental health issues profoundly impacted his life and work. He experienced episodes of depression and anxiety, which were exacerbated by his isolation and lack of recognition. He famously cut off a portion of his left ear after a heated argument with Gauguin. Despite these challenges, he produced over 2,100 artworks, including around 860 oil paintings, in just over a decade. Van Gogh's impact on art cannot be overstated. His innovative use of color, expressive brushwork, and emotional depth laid the groundwork for modern art movements, including Expressionism and Fauvism. His life story, marked by struggle and passion, has also inspired countless biographies, films, and documentaries, making him a symbol of the tortured artist archetype.